The Creality K1 SE is Creality's push into a faster, more user-friendly CoreXY experience. Flagship-level extruder kit, quick swap trimetal nozzle, hands-free auto leveling, and a blistering stated top speed of up to 600 mm per second with accelerated motion control. Creality's official product pages list build specs: CoreXY motion, direct drive, to 20 times to 20 times to 150 mm build volume on many SKUs, nozzle temp up to 300 degrees Celsius, and the K1 SE aims to be a faster, more polished iteration of the K1 family. Because Creality lists multiple SKUs and bundles, pricing and bundle offers vary. Check the Creality page or for the live price. In use, the K1 SE's selling points are speed and convenience, pre-assembled options, strong firmware support from Creality, and a motion system engineered to handle higher acceleration with lower ringing. The quick swap nozzle and flagship extruder kit make nozzle maintenance and material tests far less painful than older hobby machines. Users and reviewers generally praise the performance and print speed for prototypes and functional parts, though the reality is you'll often run it at more conservative speeds, example ~300 mm/s, for the best surface finish. Some community commentary flags that to fully unlock the potential you need to invest time in slicer tuning and possibly firmware tweaks. Pros: extremely fast CoreXY platform, convenient maintenance features, quick swap nozzle, strong official support. Cons: real-world top quality requires tuning, and the price bundle differences across sellers mean you should compare offers. Overall impression: a hardware-forward machine for people who want speed without rebuilding their printer from scratch. We share by links in the description box.